Hello everyone, this is Eric from Lachance Group. Today I'd like to share the importance of soil liver health and how to completely detoxify the entire soil herd and restore the liver health of soils in 20 days. For soils, I believe every farmer hopes that the more pictures from soils on the farm, the better. Measuring the variability of a soil herd on a pig farm involves two indicators: the number of wind piglets that each sow can provide each year, and the other is that the service lifetime of the sow. We all hope that every sow can produce more and better piglets in every litter, and the sow have a long production period. And then, the liver health is the key to soil performance. You may ask why. Let me share the importance of liver health in soils. Firstly, the liver is the body's nutrition factory. The primary function of the liver is to synthesize and secrete bile, which is a digestive liquid that can promote the digestion and absorption of fat and fat-soluble substance. So, the liver is the biggest digestive gland of the pig. The nutrients in the feed first enter the stomach and the intestine, and the intestines are responsible for absorbing nutrients. This step is only rough processing. After nutrients are absorbed by the intestines, all the nutrients enter the liver, where they are transformed and purified. This step is fine processing. The liver supplies the processed nutrients to various organs of the body, which provides the basic guarantee for the normal function of each organ. Many people pay attention to supplementing nutrition for soils more than the transformation function of the liver to nutrition. If the liver function are affected, the nutrition utilization is not sufficient. That is, the cost is increased. And secondly, the liver's contribution to immune function. The liver is also responsible for the synthesis of antibodies and immunoglobulins, so the health of the liver determines the immunity of the cells. And thirdly, the liver determines the reproductive capability of cells. The liver is also involved in the synthesis of protein and fatty acid hormones. These hormones also determine the reproductive ability of the cells. The liver is also the activation and the storage center for vitamins such as vitamin A, K, E, and B. These vitamins are very important for the health and fertility of cells. And last but not least, the liver is the detoxification center, including mycotoxins, toxins, and endotoxins, etc. So, if a cell has liver problems, it can easily lead to weak bone piglets, low feed intake, mastitis, low milk yield, etc. Because of the long breeding cycle of cells, drug mycotoxins in feed and toxins in the body are more easily to cause damage to the cell's liver. Many pig farms do not realize the importance of sow liver health, and even don't know if their sows have liver problems. There is a very simple way to tell. If you see the tear stains around the sow's eyes, or their skin looks dirty, it indicates that there is a problem with the sow's liver function. The safest and the most effective method known to protect the liver is bile acid. Bile acid is a kind of substance with multiple biological activities. It can effectively decompose endotoxins and promote the secretion of a large amount of thin bile by the liver. In this way, drug toxins, endotoxins, and mycotoxins are removed out of the liver to reduce the heavy burden on the liver and strengthen the liver function. If your sows have liver problems with such as tear stains on face, according to our market experience, after 7 days of using bile acids, the eye secretions will reduce and the feed intake will significantly increase. After 17 days, 90% of sows tear stains in the herd can disappear. Total 20 days can make the entire sow herd say goodbye to sub-health. So sows have better productive performance, better immunity, and bring more healthier piglets. For more information, please contact us. Thank you. See you next time.
In modern breeding industry, fat or oil content become more and more high in feed formulation. However, it's a complicated process for fat digestion with 3 steps: emulsification, digestion, and absorption. Different with emulsifiers, bile acids play an important role in the whole steps. Emulsification. Bile acids have a special structure by which combine with hydrophilic elements and lipophilic elements. One of them can fix in water and another one will insert into the fat. Under this way, fat can be emulsified into little droplets, which will help enlarge the contact areas with lipase. Digestion. The suitable pH value for lipase is 8 to 9. But the pH value in the intestine is 6 to 7. Lipase doesn't work under this condition. The lipase can be activated by bile acids. When they combine together, as bile acids can open its cap and release the catalyzed elements. In the meanwhile, the structure of lipase is also changed, which can let fat droplets contact with catalytes. Under this way, fat will be hydrolyzed into fatty acids, glycerinum and monoglyceride. Absorption. Short-chain fatty acid will be absorbed directly, while long-chain fatty acid can only be absorbed after combining into chloramicron with bile acids and a phospholipid. As one carrier, bile acids can help fatty acids get through the identification system of intestine epithelial cell and then pass into bloodstream in order to finish the absorption process. At the same time, bile acids will part from the compound and back into the liver through portal vein, then enter into intestine with the new secreted ones to finish its enterohepatic circulation. Under this circulation, recyclable bile acids will promote bile secretion. A large amount of bile can wash out endotoxin and mycotoxin produced by using antibiotics and non-conventional feedstuffs. What's more, adding bile acids can also effectively release the heavy burden of liver, thus play an important role in protecting the health of liver and gallbladder. As the most professional manufacturer in China, Lachance bile acids has been approved as one new type feed additives, and it has earned good reputation from the clients in domestic and overseas. Bile acids, one perfect solution for fatty acid nutrition.